Hey, this is Mike Alessi. This is my ride, the KTM 450 for the upcoming Nationals in the Motocross Series. This is the setup for the KTM. We got the main sponsor, obviously Red Bull, KTM. We got the Renthal handlebars and grips. We got the Dunlop tires, front and back. We got the factory Dunlops. We got the Hinson clutches. And then we got Akrapovic, the exhaust pipe and silencer, new to the company for the 2011 season. Flu Designs obviously does the graphics, you know, makes them look really nice. And as far as the gear, I ride for Alpine Stars, great company. Wear the Tech 10 boot, the jersey, the pants, and obviously the gloves. I wear an Era helmet, the new company that's coming to America, X-brand goggles, and Rockwell watches. We got a good 450 here, ready for the upcoming Nationals and ready to do some battle.